Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how to install Verizon Fios app on Firestick. So here's a troubleshooting guide for download login. Method 1. Install from the Amazon App Store. Turn on your Firestick and go to the home screen. Select Find and go to Search. Type Fios TV Home or Verizon Fios. Select the app from the search results. Choose Get or Download to install it. Open the app and sign in with your My Verizon account. Follow the on-screen instructions to start watching your Fios TV. If you can't find the app, update your Fire Stick to the latest software. Make sure your Wi-Fi Fire TV model is supported. Verify that you have an eligible Verizon Fios TV plan and the required Fios equipment, as some features require at least one Fios TV 1 or Verizon Media Server set-top box. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also don't hit the subscribe button.